Welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. So it's very cold. So today I'm going to make Palak curry, Palak saag curry. I will put some masalas in it, some powder masalas. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. So I will show you the Palak saag. I have taken here Palak saag, you can see, brinjals and some potatoes. All this I will mix and make the curry, the Palak saag curry. So come on, let us start the recipe. I will cut all this and then start the recipe. Friends, I have cut up the Palak saag, you can see, and it's washed also. I cut up the potatoes also and the brinjal also. So come on, now we'll start the recipe. Friends, I will use mustard oil to make the Palak recipe. So put some mustard oil. I have taken some pachforan. This I will put in the oil. I have chopped up onions. You can see this also I will put in. I will let the onions turn a little brown. Friends, the onion is turned brown. You can see. I have crushed up some garlic. This I'll put in. The garlic is turned brown. Now I will put in the tomatoes. I have chopped up here. This I will put in. Now I will put in some turmeric powder, some chili powder, some dhania powder, some jeera powder, and fry the masalas. I will put some water, otherwise the masala will get burnt. The masalas are turned brown. Now I will put in the brinjal. Put in the potatoes. Put in the Palak saag. Put the salt to taste. Now I will mix this. Friends, I have mixed the palak with the potato, brinjal and the masala. Now you can see the water coming out from it. Now I will cover this up and let it cook. Friends, the water is gone dry, but the potatoes are half cooked, not yet cooked properly. So I will put some water. Now I will let this water dry a bit and then take it down. Cover it up and let the water dry. The palak recipe is ready. The potatoes also are cooked up. And I'm keeping little gravy. You can see the thick gravy. My recipe is ready. You can have it with hot rice, chapatis. Thanks for watching my video.